Okay, class, welcome again to your spelling class. Remember that during this week we are learning about the United States and some things about them. So today is Wednesday, October the 7th, 2020, and in your spelling class, remember that we are working with words from list number 27, page 52 of your books. Let's continue. Okay. Word number 11 is our monument. Yes. We took a family picture beside the monument. So you're going to copy the sentence. Don't forget that. And here we have some monuments in another countries like in Brazil, in France, or in the United States. This one is the Liberty Statue. Yes, Liberty Statue, the Eiffel Tower, and the Black Crest, I guess. Okay, the word number 12 is the word president. The president of the United States lives in the White House, of course. And here we have the president of the United States. Word number 13, general. The general shook my hand after the ceremony. Yes. Word number 13 is general. Word number 14, soldier. A soldier must receive a lot of training. Yes, because they have to defend their country. They have to defend their country. Word number 15, patriot. Your Washington is considered a great patriot. Word number 16, be diligent in your work and you will prosper. Diligent. That means that you have to be someone who is like diligent doing their things. If you have to do your homework, or if you have to help your mother or something like that, you have to be diligent. Word number 17. A hero is usually remembered for his or her brave actions. Hero. In this case, here we have a George Washington. This man was the first president of the United States, and he helped to the United States independence. That's why it's considered hero. Word number 18. Success. Success is often the result of very hard work. Yes, if you want to have success in life, you have to work in a hard way. Word number 19. The president is the commander-in-chief of the Army and the Navy. Commander-in-chief. Yes, sir. Word number 20. A good leader set the right example. Follow the leader. Yes. A good leader set the right example. So word number 20 is the word leader. And homework time. This week, from today until Friday, you're going to create some flashcards for each one of the words. And you're going to look for the Spanish meaning of the word. From the Spanish meaning of the word, here we have it right, leader, yes, or commander-in-chief. You're going to look for the Spanish meaning of all those words. That was everything for today's class in spelling. I hope you learn a lot about United States and people like the president and the first president also. So, see you until next time.